Hello everyone, welcome to another vocabulary session. Today we will discuss about the HACCP. HACCP, or the Hazard Analysis Critical Control Point System. It is a process control system that identifies where hazards might occur in the food production process and puts into place severe actions to take to prevent the hazards from occurring. By strictly monitoring and controlling each step of the process, there is less chance for hazards to occur. We have different categories of hazards, such as biological hazard. Biological health hazards include bacteria, viruses, parasites, and molds or fungi. They can pose a threat to human health when they are inhaled, eaten, or come in contact with skin. They can cause illnesses such as food poisoning, tetanus, respiratory infections, or parasite infection. We also have physical hazard. There are 5 main classes of physical hazard, namely explosive, flammable, oxidizing, gases under pressure, and corrosive to metals. These are then subdivided into different categories depending on the degree of danger, and these are assigned specific hazard statements to identify them. Chemical hazard. Chemicals like oven cleaners, dry openers, and grill cleaners can cause burns to the skin and eyes, as well as respiratory damage. Respiratory harm. Chlorine and ammonia, common commercial kitchen chemicals, can cause respiratory, skin, and eye irritation and death, specifically if they are mixed together. Finally, we have the computer-aided system. Computer-aided system in food can cover using graphic packages to design the physical appearance of the product, if appropriate, using DTP for packaging and label design, using spreadsheets to calculate costing, portion size, and ratio of ingredients. Can also be used for calculating the energy and nutrients provided by a product using nutritional analysis packages. Constructing star profiles or diagrams to indicate the sensory characteristics of a product. Calculating the mold-free shelf life of a product, thereby investigating microbiological considerations. Exploring the interaction of ingredients, leading to a better understanding of the functional properties of food. That's it for today, guys. Thank you so much. See you soon. Bye-bye.